What's going on YouTube? Basically here today we are in San Diego and I'm shooting with my new homie.
I'm Tiffany.
Now she's done, you said, like 20 shoots? Mm-hmm. 20 shoots, she's fairly experienced, but we're gonna do a fitness shoot because she just kicked butt at yesterday's show. How'd you do?
I did great. I got first in overall bikini. Overall bikini means that I won my whole entire height class. So out of all the girls, I placed first.
That's pretty fancy. Mm-hmm. How many people were in your class?
About 16.
Dang, nice job. High five.
Thank you.
Shout out to your coach.
Pete 619.
Pete is dope. Obviously he's good because he created a champion. So we're going to document her amazing placing yesterday, and we're going to do a photo shoot. What are you hoping to document or capture today?
Just my power, my youth, legs, glutes, everything.
Her youth, she's 40, so we're going to celebrate the fact that she looks so good for 50.
Exactly.
55. Let's show you the behind the scenes, and if you have any questions, leave it down below. Be sure to follow her on social media, and if you see some value in seeing the behind the scenes of photo shoots, please consider subscribing. Click on that notification bell so you get updates every time we post new content, and hopefully we'll see you in a lot more videos. But let's go see what she can do. Ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Today's gear, we have a Canon R5. I'm using the RF70-200. We've got 4 Pro Photos. We have a Pro Photo Plus, a B10 Plus with a 3-foot Octa. We have a B10, and B10. We got a 2-foot, a 1x4, and a 1x3. We're using the Raven trigger, which I just got, which is amazing. I'll do a video talking more about that, but so far it's doing an incredible job. Let's get started.
Achieve it, they ain't wanna see the boy reach greatness. Oh no, straight from the bottom and I made it to the top. Gotta win every day, so I take it. Yeah, I go hard on the baseline. Yeah, you never thought you'd see the kid shine, but I'ma run it up. I'ma run it up. I'ma run it up. Woo! I go hard on the baseline. I ain't gonna stop till I get mine. So I'ma run it up. I'ma run it up. I'ma run it up. Every day, I gotta get it. I cannot lose. Every day, I gotta get it. I cannot lose, man, I refuse. I cannot be fake, baby. No, I don't relate, baby. Yeah, hey, they gon' hate, baby. I'm tryna win, so every day I gon' win, baby, yeah. If you wanna know, yeah, I will not stop, I'ma go, yeah, aye. If you wanna know, yeah, I will not stop, I'ma go, yeah, They ain't believe me, they thought I couldn't achieve it. They ain't wanna see the boy reach greatness. Oh no, straight from the bottom and I made it to the top. Gotta win every day, so I chase it. Yeah, I go hard on the baseline. Yeah, you never thought you'd see the kid shine, but I'ma run it up. I'ma run it up. I'ma run it up. Woo! I go hard on the baseline. I ain't gonna stop till I get mine. So I'ma run it up. I'ma run it up. I'ma run it up. Every day, I gotta get it. Every day, I ain't gonna let no one stop me, oh no. Every day, I gotta get it. Every day, I gotta get it. Hey, watch me go to the top, boy. Every day, I gotta get it. I ain't gonna let no one stop me, oh no. Every day, I gotta get it. Hey, watch me go to the top. I go hard on the baseline, yeah. You never thought you'd see the kid shine, but I'ma run it up. I'ma run it up. I'ma run it up. Woo! I go hard on the baseline, yeah. So you can see my name in bright light, yeah. I'ma run it up. I'ma run it up. I'ma run it up. Every day, I gotta get it. Every day, I cannot lose. I cannot lose. Every day, I gotta get it. Every day, I cannot lose. Man, I refuse. Every day, I gotta get it. Every day, I cannot lose. I cannot lose. Every day, I gotta get it. Every day, I cannot lose. Man, I refuse.
Okay, so that's a warm-up set.
Okay,
What do you think about the warm-up set?
that was great. I had to flex really hard, but I felt confident.
So, do you see any difference between doing a fitness shoot and doing what's the most common shoot that you've done?
With like outfits, like jackets and clothes and stuff, outside too.
Did you wear
Beach
jackets?
shoots.
And would you say that most photographers talk a lot, or do most not talk?
No, they don't, and they don't really help you.
Although you've done 20 plus shoots, do you prefer when someone talks a lot, or do you prefer to move on your own?
I
So even though she's done 20 plus shoots, talking is super, super important. Unless the model is someone that's being paid to be there, then the model should know how to move on their own, right? And I'm sure that she could do a ton of modeling gigs on her own as well. But the thing about fitness is there's a certain amount of time when she's got an amazing six-pack. Tomorrow it might be a 5.5 pack because this fool eats a lot.
5 meals a day.
Yeah, she does. The more, when you are the day of or the day after the show, people start eating, drinking, even just drinking water. It's gonna make all the abs, maybe a little bit less visible. And so the reason why fitness photography is so monetizable is because there's a small, tiny window where people can where they have to shoot within this time frame. Because if she waits for 10 days, is she gonna look exactly the same? Do you think you'll look exactly the same in 10 days?
I would not.
Do you have any tips for a newer photographer who would like to shoot somebody of your caliber?
Talk more and help more. That helps a lot.
Yeah, and bring donuts.
Yes, and be friendly.
No. See you next video.
Hey.